Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. How are you all, my sweet friends? I hope you all are good. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. So friends, you can see in this video I am providing you gorgeous and trendy beautiful doorknob ideas. So friends, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Because these designs are so stunning and so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of beautiful crochet ideas. Crochet items is our cultural beauty. If you want more designs, more ideas and other crochet ideas, so watching my previous videos. I hope they will helping you. You know guys, different peoples have different choices. So friends, if you all love these articles, so like my video. So viewers, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of beautiful crochet doorknob ideas. I hope they will love this collection and this video is very helpful for them. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors and different decent and unique designs. You can use these beautiful designs on your crochet doorknobs for more beautiful and classical look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So friends, if you all love these articles and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for new and more update. Be connected with me friends. See you soon. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.